we have here, this van, external length 593 centimeters, external width 200 centimeters, height 314. This van will cost, in this condition, 102,128 euros. Base price 75,700, so it's got 25,000 plus of extras put onto it. Let's go inside. CS do have this rather small table there. Personally, I think I prefer something a bit tougher and a bit larger. That's my opinion, but other than that, I quite like everything else. Well, maybe not the colour so much of the red, but I think that's, you know, that's just a matter of opinion really. Well, as the table's just a matter of opinion as well. Now, you've got the bed at a height. It's up there. This means to say, bed in the ceiling means to say you've got more space for living during the day. It also means to say that you're going to have to make your bed at night. If that's a problem for you, then this is not the van for you. Then, okay, kitchen up here, 2 burners. You've got a bit of preparation space there. You've got a sink. You can see here, this is the ledge for the bed, and it comes with a bit of a cushion up here. Good idea to fill in the space between, as you can see, with the bed ends. That is because the Sprinter slopes inwards towards the top, so you've got something extra there to cover that space. You've also got up there, in a sensible place I think, is the iNet, the heating, the boiler. You can turn the heating on whilst you're in bed, and you also reach it relatively easy from down here. Dometic 2-way electric fridge. I don't know why it's called 2-way, I think it's called 1-way, it's electric. Hook up and powered by the battery. So, okay, if that's 2-way, it's 2-way. Let's have a look back here. I like to remind you all the time that this van is under 6 meters in length. You're coming into the bathroom, and it's a pretty large bathroom. You have got oh, now the music's going off. Somebody's probably told them to turn it down. Let's have a look around the outside. There, so you can see Sprinter 316 CDI, and here you've got, okay, that is storage from the rear. Gas. You see at the top there you've got your sink, and you've also got here, I think that's, no, so I was thinking it's going to be for an outside shower. It's the water internally. And down there, battery and a bit extra storage. Okay, right, so take it around the other way as well.